Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of Pat Taste Performance. Today's just a quick weekly mow. I didn't hit you guys with a weekly mow last week, right? Because remember we had that really bad cut. So I kind of wanted to do like a fresh reset. So I haven't touched my grass since that video, except for today. I've been absolutely slammed between work and home. Beyond slammed. So instead of trying to do a whole, vlog of mowing, let me just show you the end result. We're trying to set ourselves up for diamonds. You Made Me Lawn kind of challenged me to see the first one to get diamonds between me, him and his brother. But we're going to have some fun with this besides showing you what the end result was. We are going to finally do the egg toss, right? We're going to do 3 phases. One on the ground, one off the stoop, and actually one off the second story. I know we're out of a disadvantage because we have to throw it over a flower bed into the lawn. But anyway, check this out. Not a lot of light out. But I guess you guys could see, I went back up to a 4 1/4 cutting height to where we originally were at, and it was just getting too thick in between cuts, for my schedule. So I think now we're gonna have to, I have no choice, but I'm just gonna have to probably cut my lawn maybe every 3 to 4 days. I think 5 may be pushing it. I think the goal is, I need stripe retention. Okay, I need these stripes to carry over to my next mow so I can successfully get diamonds. So right here is where I first started. Look at that, that is just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Now imagine when the sun actually really comes out and hits, we're gonna be just fine. Alright, so I'm going to get Mrs. Pat Taste Performance out. She doesn't want to be on camera today, so it's just going to be me. So any criticisms comes to her. So remember, first one, right on the lawn, I'm just going to throw it. Second one, off the stoop, which is right here, onto the lawn, and see what we get, and then up top.
Is that recording?
And then record. Alright, so our mic malfunction, I have no idea why. The microphone is going to be cutting in and out, so I'm going to try and do a voiceover in between us. I have to think that maybe it's just a signal issue. We never had this happen before. As you can see, when we get to a certain distance, the microphone picks me up, and then after that, it does not at all. So here on the grass, first egg toss, let's get it done. Phase 1.
Close up. Close up. Am I allowed to pick up the egg to show the viewers?
Go ahead.
Cushioned fall. Look at that, a little grass on the egg. These are organic eggs, if anybody wants to know.
Does that really make a difference?
No, but I might as well give them.
Let's go.
Maybe that makes them even more.
We'll go. So the egg toss really is to challenge how thick your grass is, and believe it or not, how soft is your soil. As you guys can tell, our grass is just cut and not wet, dry. That's a really good egg.
I just want to show the viewers, not even one crack. Those are all blades of Kentucky Fescue.
Oh, you know what? We have to show them that it's a real egg when we're done. If it doesn't break, where are those bags you've been keeping the money in?
In the cabin in the kitchen.
In the kitchen?
You mean Ziploc bags, honey?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to go upstairs.
Here is the truest test.
You guys can't. We'll see. This is a good test of it. All right, so here's the moment of truth. I'm not going to lie. I'm pretty nervous because it's the second story. Over the flower bed, onto the lawn we go. This is our second year, so it's kind of a little bit tough. Now, the whole time I'm climbing up the stairs, I'm actually talking smack about Mrs. Pat Taste Performance because I'm thinking because I have the microphone, you guys can hear me, and you guys can't hear her because, she's just a blabber. She rants, a little bit just like me. So, lo and behold, window open. Let's see what we got. Now, she's trying to highlight that we have to go over the bed, which I've showed you guys 2 times already, but we'll make her feel important. And we'll let her show you guys. Obviously, she's talking, but she has no idea. None of us have no idea what the heck is going on right now because the mic isn't working. Here is her. I don't know what she's doing. But I thought, come on, keep with me. Nope, she'll just drop me right out of the frame. And here's the toss. Go down. Close the window. Can't let the cold air out. She's gonna talk like she has the microphone, but that is absolutely not the goal. All right. I gotta put my shoes on. Alright, so this is wild. I have no idea what the heck's going on. If you guys just seen that last episode, that now the lavalier wireless microphone is actually working through the second story of the house, through everything, out to the lawn. I have no idea why it's cutting in and out. I can't even blame her for trying to knock something out. I don't even know if it's my fault. And you know what? I'll accept responsibility. I'm in charge of this whole rigmarole. But at this point, I'm kind of making fun of her because if you guys follow me on Instagram, Mrs. Pate's Performance is back to quarantining money, which is fine. I understand. I get it. Things are getting worse over here per se with COVID. So money had to come out of quarantine, and it's hard to keep track of by records per se of what I'm selling and what I'm repairing and the margin, whatever. It's kind of off by memory. So now the whole thing is I'm saying we have to break this egg in a bag. What about all those bags with the quarantine money? And of course she threw them out. Here you are with a fresh bag, and now I'm poking holes in the bag so when we crack the egg it doesn't go all over me. 2 little holes in the bag. Yeah, so therefore no air can explode and come all over me. That is the game plan. Here, drop it in the bag. Alright, you ready? And then here, come over to the driveway. We'll go towards the street because you can probably wash them. Oh, look, it just cracked. You see that?
Look at the beautiful yellow yolk on that egg.
No one can't hear you because you don't have the microphone. So back away. Alright guys, I'm pretty excited. You probably can't tell, but I'm trying to hold myself as egg yolk is dripping all over me. This is a fantastic cut. Great job on the reset. We're back at a 4 1/4 cut height. Hopefully within the next lawn care vlog I hit you with, we achieve diamonds. This egg toss is pretty good too. It shows that 2 years of Kentucky 12 Fescue here in Long Island, New York. It is nice and thick. This is a pretty extreme test, so I think what's next? Start it off the roof? We'll see. Alright guys, if you guys found this video helpful, entertaining, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of Pate's Performance. Later.